Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aditya. How are you all? Fine. Class ready for the revision or for a regular class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you people have any
Yes, ma'am.
doubts regarding the test?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I think I already cleared out everything with you people in the last class, no? Yes?
Ma'am, please share the diagram.
That is what I am sharing right now. See, you all, you know that there are 3 different teachers for 3 different parts in your social sciences, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, my part, the number through which you get the link, that same number you will be sending your PDFs on, right? I think timing slot, everybody knows that what is the time slot for the test to be completed. By what time your PDF should reach me?
Ma'am, by
Nine.
9.
Huh?
9.
By 9:05, right?
Ma'am, by
9.
9.
Okay. Make sure that in the PDF you are writing your name. Like you will write, just a second, I'll give you an example how you are going to send your PDF to me. See, your name. Say your name, class plus section, and you will write geography. Like I am Shashi Prabha, right? Shashi, class 8th C, geography. This should be the heading of your PDF. In place of
Okay,
my
ma'am.
name, you have to write your name, right? Say if it is Aditya writing, so I will write, you will write Aditya. And if there are 2-3 students of the same name, kindly specify your roll number, or you can simply write your SR number, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, class? Any confusions regarding this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
My phone number I'll be sharing tomorrow only with you. Otherwise, you people have my number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other confusion regarding this?
No, ma'am.
And one more
No,
thing,
ma'am.
anything from anywhere in the chapter can come. Like, do you know your recapitulation, your exercises, your question answers, plus the chapter. Tell me, did we do any worksheet in the previous class for revision?
Ma'am, Ma'am, we we were did 5 doing that and half was done.
Half was done, no? Okay, fine. So let me share the screen with you all. We'll do the worksheet only, okay? I think this was the worksheet, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are going to do, I am going to ask you this. I will call one by one all those who are there in the classroom as participants. I'll call your names. You will be reading out and answer. You will be telling here only. This worksheet I will share on the class group that we have, the D group, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. So let's start now.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the questions on the screen.
How come? What about others?
Ma'am, I can see.
Ma'am, I can
Ma'am, I
see.
can see.
Angel, you can
Yes,
rejoin.
ma'am, now.
Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, today I think there is some problem with the Zoom. It is not responding quick. It is taking little bit time, right?
Yes, ma'am. Since morning it is
Yes,
happening.
ma'am.
I think so. Chaliye. Can we have Aditya reading the first statement?
Okay, ma'am. Discovery of petroleum deposit has turned these nations rich. Name any two nations, ma'am. Saudi Arabia and Kuwait.
Okay, fine. Second, can we have Angel reading out?
Okay, ma'am. Dash and dash are classified on the basis of their renewability, non-renewable and renewable resources.
Okay, renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, fine. Third one, can we have Bhavya reading?
Okay, ma'am. Some resources like air, water, and land do not get exhausted.
Complete the statement, no? Even after continuous use. Okay, Laksh. Laksh, are you there? Who is this Laksh Kumar? Not answering. Laksh, are you there? Okay, can we have Ridhima answering?
Yes, ma'am. Potential and actual resources are classified on the basis of their stage of development.
Potential and actual resources are classified on the basis of their
Stage of development.
stage of development. Very good. Next is Ved. बताओ बेटा. Ved.
Ma'am, I do not know this answer.
You can at least read out the statement. No problems.
Waterfalls are a potential resource for this country.
Which country has waterfalls as a potential resource? Anybody in the class? Those who are there? Beta.
Ma'am, Africa.
Yes.
Ma'am, Africa.
Yes, it is Africa. Very
Ma'am,
good.
Africa.
Very good. It is Africa. Ved, got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next. Human resource includes the dash and dash of the people.
Ma'am, quantity and quality.
Yes.
And quantity and quality of the
Quantity and quality.
Yes, it includes the quantity and the quality of the people. The rate at which resources are produced is called?
Ma'am, productivity.
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 Yes, very good. It is called productivity. Then these are true false. Achha, we'll come to true false later on. Now, the US and UK are dash countries.
Ma'am, developed.
Ma'am,
Developed.
developed.
Develop. Very good. We cannot, we must not dash our resources.
Conserve.
Misuse.
Sorry, ma'am. Deplete.
Ma'am, overuse.
misuse.
मिसयूज भी लिख
Ma'am,
सकते हैं,
repeat.
वेस्ट भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Excuse
damage.
me, ma'am.
हाँ, yes बेटा, please ask.
Ma'am, Alind is in waiting room, ma'am. He's writing to me.
अच्छा, just a second. Just a second. Participants. Is there any Harsh Patel in your class?
Ma'am, he is Ansh Patel.
It is written Harsh Patel.
Ma'am, his brother name is Harsh Patel.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine.
Ma'am, are there any diagrams that can come in tomorrow's exam?
We don't have any diagram in the chapter. Do we have?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. See, whatever we have done in the class, like flow charts, diagrams, I think we don't have any diagram. So no diagrams, but of course, the flow charts and the additional information that is given in the chapter along with the chapter that we have, plus recapitulation, please be thorough with that, right?
Ma'am,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
did
Ma'am,
two
map.
maps in the starting.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the political map and the union
Huh.
territories one.
That map I will give in the next exam that I'll have, not for this exam, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, you know, I thought that only in 9th and 10th, 9th, 10th only I have given this map wala thing. I forgot about your class. Otherwise, I would have given because I gave to them also, no, the map for. Chalo, never mind. Next time we'll have it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Chali. This Aditya Mishra is not connected to the
Okay,
audio. I
ma'am.
don't know why. Chali. Now coming to the true false. Gold jewelry cannot be recycled. True or false? Can we have Alan? Acha,
False.
It is false.
false.
Dam is an example of human-made resource.
True.
I mean, it's true.
Ma'am,
True.
true.
True. Yes. Sunlight is an exhaustible resource.
Ma'am, false.
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 What kind of resource it is?
Ma'am, inexhaustible.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
inexhaustible.
It is inexhaustible, right? Then we must not waste our natural resources. True or false?
True.
It's true.
It's true.
Ma'am, it's true.
Yes, it's true. Fossil fuels can be recycled after every use.
False.
Ma'am, false. It cannot be recycled.
Yes, it is false. Then, okay, you have to give at least 2 points to show difference between the following. इसका मतलब होता है distinguish. We all do distinguish also, no? We do differentiate also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
differentiate, distinguish, show difference is the same. Different terminologies are there for asking a single type of question. I hope I am clear,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So-
ma'am.
So you need to give at least 2 points for the following: biotic and abiotic. You can write down your points, like you can think them, and I'll randomly ask one of you to answer one of it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. The screen is not showing. Let me share again. Some problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's showing. Can you see those questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the questions. May I rejoin?
Yes, yes. Okay, can we have Krishna Gupta answering this question? Krishna Gupta? Krishna, are you there?
Ma'am, I'm just
Ma'am,
coming in 3 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, as my mother is calling me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that,
Yes, you can ask.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, what is reserve? Ma'am, what is reserve?
What is a reserve? Anybody in the class who would like to tell this? What is a reserve?
Reserves are the part of
Madam?
natural resource which can be profitably developed profitably.
Anybody else for the same?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
reserve
I
are the
know the definition, but ma'am, I want to know the, ma'am, what does the meaning of reserve? Ma'am, I know the definition.
Okay. रिजर्व आप जानते हैं वैसे क्या होता है? अगर हम आपसे पूछे हिंदी में, आप रिजर्व क्या बताओगे हमें?
Ma'am, to reserve something.
To keep something as a security, right? Like in the cars, in the bikes, in the Activas, scooters that we have a portion, small portion of petrol that goes in the reserve tank, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just like that, the reserve resources that we have, they are those resources which can be utilized in future with proper technology. Though they are there, but then because we don't have the exact knowledge of the technology, or we don't have the right knowledge, right technology to use it, so they are considered as reserves, and we can use them potentially once we get the right kind of technology to use it, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Angel Gupta is ma'am, I mean, Angel Gupta is there in the meeting room.
Achha, just a second.
I mean, waiting room.
I have taken her inside. Taken her. ठीक है? चलिए, any other doubts? Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Chalo. Can we have Alishba telling us what is the difference between abiotic and biotic resources?
Ma'am, biotic resources are obtained from living organisms such as plants and animals, and abiotic resources are obtained from physical environment. The biotic resources include all the flora and fauna, and they have the capacity to reproduce and regenerate within a period of time. Whereas some of the abiotic resources can
Yes. Yes,
Some
Anushka.
of the abiotic resources can be some of the abiotic resources are non-renewable like minerals, and some of them are renewable like water and air.
ठीक है. Correct. Correct. Okay. Can we have Anushka Sharma answering what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources? Yes, Anushka? Anushka, are you there? Beta? These children, they join the meeting and they don't respond. I don't know why this happens. Okay, can we have Aditya telling this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji.
Ma'am, renewable resources are the resources which can renew which can
Renew itself.
regenerate them, and they are renewable resources are inexhaustible resources. They can be differentiate. They can be divided into two parts, like non renewable resources like living resources like human and plants can regenerate them, and some resources like light, water, they cannot regenerate them. But non-renewable resources are used for a specific period. They take millions of years to regenerate them, like coal and minerals.
ठीक है. Very good. Very good. Fine. Now coming to ubiquitous and local resources. Can we have Angel answering this question?
Okay, ma'am. Ubiquitous resources are the ones which are found everywhere, like sunlight and air, and localized resources are the ones which are found at particular places, like gold mining. I'm told the answer.
Last one, can you repeat? Local, can you repeat the local one?
Okay, ma'am. Localized resources are the ones which are found at particular places, like coal mining,
Coal mines.
or we can say deposit of coal.
Deposit of coal, you can say. You can also tell about, I think one more example is given in the book about the wind. Right?
Flowing rivers.
Flowing rivers is given.
Sorry. Air is for the ubiquitous one. Sorry, got confused. Chaliye, what about potential and actual resources? Can we have Ridhima telling this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Potential resource. These resources exist in a region and could be used in the future but have not been developed to their full potential. For example, Africa has a number of falls that can be used in the future. So this is a potential resource for Africa. Whereas actual resource are the resources which can be used fully to their actual quantity, and for example, coal and iron ore.
ठीक है, iron ore. Okay. Fine. Now, okay, you have to give a single term for the statement that I am reading out. Okay, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Dash
Okay,
is
Okay, ma'am.
development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs.
This is known as
Sustainable development.
Sustainable development.
Sustainable development. Very good. resources created by humans are called dash.
Ma'am,
Human
human
made
made
resources.
Human resources.
Very good. Dash resources imply the quality and the quantity of the people.
Ma'am,
Human
human
resources.
resources.
And human
Ma'am,
resources.
actual resources.
Very
Ma'am, human.
human resources.
Human resources.
Dash resources are obtained from nature.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
natural
natural.
Ma'am, natural resources.
Natural resources. Okay. Natural, human, and human made are the classification of dash.
Ma'am, resources.
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 Very good. Very good. All the elements of the environment that humans need and value are called
Ma'am, resources.
Ma'am, resources.
Resources.
What depends on how judiciously we use our natural resources so that the present rate of development is maintained as well as the environment is preserved.
Conservation of
Conservation of
resources.
Conservation of
resources.
resources.
Conservation of resources.
Conservation of resources.
ठीक है, very good. Next is give any two cardinal rules that we must follow to conserve resources.
Ma'am, we must not cause any harm to natural resources, and we should make pupils that do not deplete resources.
Ma'am, we should not
Ma'am, we should,
overutilize
Ma'am,
anything for the consumption of
We should use
resources.
them in a
ma'am, we
sustainable
should
manner.
use natural resources when needed.
Anji, we should enable communities to care for their own environment. See, the more awareness we spread among people, more aware they will become in conservation. If resources are made available to us without giving them, without knowing that how important they are, we will not give any importance to it, right? See, when, like for example, when you are given something to use, see, your parents, they may tell you that beta, keep it safe, use it properly, because this has costed this much, not in terms of money but maybe in other terms, right? So you are, whenever you are given a resource to use, you are always told the importance of that resource, and once you know the importance, you yourself become very conscious in using that resource by making maximum utilization of it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Why do we need to conserve living? Why do we need to conserve the living species that we have, including everybody, humans, plants, animals? Why do we need to conserve them? What is the use of conserving it?
As they can extend.
They will extinct, but then what will happen? Suppose say for
Ma'am,
example,
they will break the
Ma'am,
they
food
will,
chain.
yes, they will break the
Natural
food chain. I think this is
food
Bhavya.
cycle.
Ma'am, Riddhima.
Riddhima, okay, fine. It will actually, see, if any of the living resource becomes extinct, it will create problem, because the food chain that we have, it may create imbalance in that, right? The food chain will become incomplete without a particular resource. Chaliye, very good. Now coming to the next part. Suppose if I ask you, yes, suppose if I ask you a simple thing, like, generally students have confusion in this. What happened? The screen got disconnected. No issues. Suppose I ask you that, suppose a statement is given that Suppose a statement is there that non-renewable resources can be renewed, cannot be renewed in a short span of time. Am I right in saying this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Ma'am.
give example of some non-renewable resources?
Ma'am, coal,
Coal,
petroleum.
Petroleum, natural
Coal,
gas.
petroleum.
Mineral.
You all have the books with you?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
There is a
Yes.
picture,
Yes,
there is a
ma'am.
picture on page, there is a picture on page 136. Use the picture to answer the questions. Which type of resource they are talking about in this picture?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, natural.
Natural
Natural.
resource.
Natural and biotic or abiotic?
ma'am,
Biotic.
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 Okay, very good. Shall can you name a resource that is that comes in abiotic, but it is renewable?
Ma'am,
Abiotic.
sunlight.
Okay,
Ma'am,
very good.
sunlight.
Very good.
ma'am,
Very good.
air.
Water.
Air.
And water.
And
Water and air.
okay. And if I ask you abiotic resources which are non-renewable,
Ma'am, coal,
Land.
petroleum, gold.
Coal, petroleum,
Coal,
minerals.
petroleum,
Coal,
natural
petroleum.
gas.
okay. Very good. Very good.
Minerals.
Where do we obtain abiotic resources from?
Ma'am,
Living
nature.
environment.
Non-living.
Yes,
A
non-living
non-living
environment.
organism.
Yes, non-living environment. Very good. Very good. Fine. Next, you need to tell me that can you name some natural elements to which humans have attached aesthetic value?
Ma'am, waterfalls.
Ma'am, mountains,
Mountains.
seas.
Very good.
A
Very,
mountain, sea.
Mountains.
very good. Very good. See, I think,
Rivers.
very good. See, I think with you people, I have done everything. Every single line of the chapter I have revised with you all. So I hope that you all will perform well, right? And do not get confused. Whatever is given, the sequence and everything, keep everything the same. Do not get mixed up with anything, okay? My PDF, geography, how you have to send, I have told you. Tomorrow again in the morning, a small reminder I will send through a message in the groups, right? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
If
Okay,
you have,
ma'am.
if you have any
Ma'am.
doubts, beta, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Regarding the test.
Ma'am, the worksheet which we have discussed right now, we have to write that in notebook.
रहने दो, अब हमने
Ma'am,
discuss
actually,
किया है.
half.
No need to do it. I'll be sharing it in the class group. Sorry, in the D group, I'll be sharing this worksheet with you people. No need to do it in the notebook. Just revise, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Half
And the
I've done.
format of the paper will be divided into 3 parts like history,
Yes.
geography, and civics.
Civics, yes, beta. Part A, Part B, and Part C.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Like, I think if they combine the paper, they may be giving you in parts. So whichever part my portion is, that part plus the number, the sequence that they will be giving. You don't have to change that sequence, okay? Make the sequence, keep the sequence same. If my part starts from 11th question, you will write 11, 12, 13, 14 this way. Don't write 1, 2, 3, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise,
Okay,
It
ma'am.
will be
Okay,
of
ma'am.
how many marks? Ma'am, geography part?
yes, beta.
Ma'am, geography part will be of how many marks?
I think 14 or 13,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Sure. Is Krishna active in the class groups when the other classes are there?
No, ma'am.
Though he comes to the class, he is there, I can see, but then his mic is not there and he's not even responding to what I am saying. So I feel every time he's there, but then there is no response. What is the point of attending the class uselessly, just for the namesake, right? When you're not interacting,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the point? They feel that because attendance is mandatory, so let us go. Let us attend the class and sit silent. That's it. But it is going to work? No, I don't think if it is going to work. I will not consider this kind of attendance. What is the use? There are many. I think what is the strength of the class? More than 38, no?
I'm 40.
I'm 40.
Imagine only 9 are there in the class. Just imagine. I think these days maybe the strength is less, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think because of the test, the strength is less. Chalo, let us see. I think you are getting over with your exams on
Ma'am, Monday.
I'm
Monday.
26.
Yes, ma'am. Monday
is the last
26.
exam. Monday is the last exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's so good. Very good. Anything that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All clear and understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, very good. Okay, in the next class that we will be having tomorrow, we'll be starting, I think, question answers for chapter 4 we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So we'll be
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll be starting with the new
Yes,
chapter,
ma'am.
Midland and Par resources. Be ready with your notebooks. We'll be doing the flowcharts first, and then we'll start with the explanation of the chapter. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope for the previous chapter, map work and everything is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, very good. Chalo, that's good. Can you name some endangered species of wildlife?
Ma'am, rhinos, white rhinos,
White rhinos, okay. White tigers also.
Ma'am, purple frogs.
ma'am, cloud leopards.
Okay, leopards. Acha, what about vultures? Vultures have also become extinct, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen a vulture in your life?
No, ma'am.
Actually,
No,
No, ma'am.
in real
I'm
life,
on Discovery Channel.
on Discovery Channel only you have seen. Oh my God. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this is so strange, no?
Ma'am, and red panda and blue whale is also endangered species.
Blue whale is also, and dodo. I think dodo is also there, no?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
dodo is extinct.
Yes, ma'am. Dodo is extinct.
Dodo has become extinct. Even vultures also. Earlier, otherwise, like when I came to Bareilly, I used to see so many vultures, roaming around near the IVRI group. This IVRI area which was there, no? But after I think 5-6 years, I could hardly see any one of it. Right? Okay. Anytime the meeting is going to end, all the best, children, for your test. Do well, do not panic, and write clearly. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bacha.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.